welcome back to my channel Vinglish with Manpreet. I hope you all are doing well. So as in the last video we discussed about what are conjunctions, what are the basic conjunctions that we use in our daily life. Today in this video I'm going to tell you about the first type of conjunctions, that are coordinating conjunctions. But before going further, please, if you're new to my channel, there is a subscribe button. Please hit that subscribe button. And I also have an Instagram page for the same. I link it down in the description box or somewhere on the screen. Do follow me there as well, as I upload a lot of tips and tricks and videos and reels there. So without wasting our time, let's get started with the video. Now the first type of conjunction that we use are coordinating conjunctions. These conjunctions are mainly used to join two sentences, two statements that are of equal position or of equal importance. We can also say that these are used to join independent clauses. Now for example, for, and, yet, etc. Now there is an easier way to remember all of these conjunctions. Yes, you only have to remember the word fanboys. F-A-N-B-O-Y-S. This is the simplest way you can learn these coordinating conjunctions. I'll tell you how you can keep all of these coordinating conjunctions with this simple word in your mind. With F you can remember for, with A you can remember and, with N you can remember nor, with B you can remember but, with O you can remember or, and with Y you can remember yet, and the last one, S, you can remember so. Isn't it easier? Now let us discuss the examples for all the coordinating conjunctions one by one. For, the lady called for security. And, Lara can both eat and speak. Nor, neither Alex nor I drink. But, I want to cook, but there's no stuff. Or, would you like to have coffee or tea? Yet, we haven't finished our dinner yet. So, whoever says so is liar. Now let us discuss some of the rules that you need to keep in mind whenever you're using coordinating conjunctions. So rule number 1 is, you should always put a comma before a coordinating conjunction if you are using it to join two independent clauses or two independent sentences. For example, Tom walked the dog, comma, so he grabbed the mail. So in this sentence, Tom walked the dog and he grabbed the mail are two independent statements or two independent clauses. That is why we have used so as a coordinating conjunction and a comma before it. Whenever you are using a coordinating conjunction to join two items, you do not use a comma between them. For example, she has gone to buy some apples and bananas. So I have added two items, bananas and apples, with and as a coordinating conjunctions, and I have not used a comma between them. Whenever you are using a coordinating conjunction to join a list of items, maybe 3 or more, it is optional to use a comma before the coordinating conjunction you used in the sentence. For example, my grandmother went to the market and bought some bananas, comma, apples, comma, oranges, and strawberries. So either you can use and strawberries, and you can also use a comma before and. It is optional. If you're not using it, the statement is still correct. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, kindly hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I also have an Instagram page for the same. I'll link it down in the description box, and always somewhere on the screen you can go and follow me there. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.